Stop missing out on the latest multi-view features and live guide improvements. Here's how to update your YouTube TV app on any smart TV in 3 easy steps. I'm your guide from Sleek Guides. Today, we're covering the manual update process for Samsung, LG, Roku, and Android TV to ensure your streaming experience is seamless. Starting with Samsung TVs, press the home button and navigate to apps. Select the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Find YouTube TV in the list and select update if a new version is available. For LG Smart TVs, open the LG Content Store. Navigate to My Apps or search for YouTube TV directly. If an update is pending, you'll see an update button on the app description page. On Roku devices, highlight the YouTube TV tile and press the star button on your remote. Select Check for Updates to instantly download any available patches or UI refreshes. On Android TV or Google TV, open the Google Play Store. Select your profile icon, go to Manage Apps and Games, and choose Updates to find and trigger the YouTube TV patch. Pro tip, always enable auto update in your TV's app settings. This ensures you get the latest security features and UI layouts without manual intervention. If this tutorial saved you time, subscribe to Sleek Guides for more high-value tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.